I always wanted to make a YouTube channel. So now it is vacation in my school. So I made a YouTube channel. And I'm going to make an animation of raindrops falling down and becoming puddles. But by the way, you need to subscribe, hit the bell button, share and like. And I'll see you in my stream. So now I am sharing my screen and you can see my screen. Now I'm going to go to flip a clip. But now I'm gonna do a raindrop here. Now I'm drawing the highlight, the other raindrop, and highlight, and other raindrop, and the highlights. Wait. Oops. Now I'm gonna press this plus to go to the second layer, and you can see here there is like a ghost version of that raindrop. Now I'm gonna make another raindrop here like this. One. Now another here because I got 3 raindrops. Okay. Now I'm gonna draw another raindrop here. Okay. So now I'm gonna press this. But by the way, I'm not using an Apple pen. If you have an Apple pen, you can use an Apple pen because that will be much more easier because using fingers are not that easy. Wait. And you can use one Apple pen because this is a little hard. Okay, now I'm gonna press the plus. And I'll draw the splashing. And that's a little droplet for the splashes. Now I'm gonna do another puddle because there's 3 raindrops. 1, 2, and 3. Reflection and reflection. Now I'm going to show you the animation. Wow. Yay. So now I'm gonna put some sound to it because it's kind of bland without a sound. But okay, so now forgot. Wait, there's no sound, so why I just press that? That doesn't make any sense. But okay, now I'm gonna press this. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button. Peace out. Bye.